All right, everyone, welcome back to the second half of Neha's Arangetram. Rajiv, I am so excited.
Why?
You all are in for a real treat coming up. This is my favorite part. We've finally gotten to the part where Neha makes us cry, scared, and makes us laugh with her. If you've spent any time around Neha, you know that she either travels with a book or finds one wherever she's going. After so many years of reading stories, she's going to be telling us a few tonight.
Next, Neha will be performing Balagopala, a composition of Swami Narayana Tirtha. The dancer describes the beauty of Lord Krishna as a young child and cowherd who has the royal gait of an elephant and the brilliance of the night as a dark god. He is seen playing with several gopikas, maidens from Mathura, while he protects this world by destroying all worldly sorrows.
This will actually be a Kuchipudi piece. So if you look closely, you will notice stylistic differences between this dance and what Neha has performed already. Kuchipudi integrates storytelling as a central component, while the technical components of the dance are distinct. In this next piece, Neha will perform the Tarangam, where she dances on a brass plate while balancing a brass pot filled with water on her head. This depicts the bhakti, karma, and jnana yoga of the Bhagavad Gita, which are 3 forms of prayer. These 3 forms of prayer are symbolized by the dance. Bhakti yoga, or devotional prayer, is demonstrated in the dancer's portrayal of the story. Karma yoga, or balancing actions for yourself with selfless altruistic actions, is demonstrated in balancing the pot and the plate. And jnana yoga, or meditational prayer, is symbolized by losing yourself in the dance. Balagopala is in Mohana Raga and Aditala.
Ding ದಿಮಿತ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿನ ತುಂ ತಾಂ ಧೀಂ ತದ್ಧಣ್ಣ ತಾಂ ಧೀಂ ತಜ್ಜಣ್ಣು ತಾಂ ತದಿಮಿತ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿನ ತುಂ ತಾಂ ಧೀಂ ತದ್ಧಣ್ಣ ತಾಂ ಧೀಂ ತಜ್ಜಣ್ಣು ತಾಂ ತದಿಮಿತ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿನ ತುಂ ತಾಂ ಧೀಂ ತದ್ಧಣ್ಣ ತಾಂ ಧೀಂ ತಜ್ಜಣ್ಣು ತಾಂ ತದಿಮಿತ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿನ ತುಂ ತಾಂ ಧೀಂ ತದ್ಧಣ್ಣ ತಾಂ ಧೀಂ ತಜ್ಜಣ್ಣು ತಾಂ ತದಿಮಿತ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿನ ತುಂ ತಾಂ ಧೀಂ ತದ್ಧಣ್ಣ ತಾಂ ಧೀಂ ತಜ್ಜಣ್ಣು ತಾಂ ತದಿಮಿತ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿನ ತುಂ ತಾಂ 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 ಧೀಂ ತದ್ಧಣ್ಣ ಧೀಂ 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 ತದ್ಧಣ್ಣ ತೋಂ 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 ಧೀಂ ತದ್ಧಣ್ಣ ನಂ 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 ಧೀಂ ತದ್ಧಣ್ಣ ತಾಂ ತಾಂ ತದ್ಧಣ್ಣ ಧೀಂ ಧೀಂ ತದ್ಧಣ್ಣ ತೋಂ ತೋಂ ತದ್ಧಣ್ಣ ನಂ ನಂ ತದ್ಧಣ್ಣ ತಾಂ ತತ್ತದಿ ಧೀಂ ತದ್ಧಣ್ಣ ತೋಂ ತಜ್ಜಣ್ಣು ನಂ ತದ್ದಿಮಿ ತತ್ತದಿ ತದ್ಧಣ್ಣ ತಜ್ಜಣ್ಣು ತದ್ದಿಮಿ ಗಿನ್ನ ತಂ ದಿಗ್ಗಿನ್ನ ತಂ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿನ್ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿನ್ನ ತಂ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿನ್ನ ತಂ ತಾ ಗಿನ್ನ ತಂ ದಿಗ್ಗಿನ್ನ ತಂ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿನ್ನ ತಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿನ್ನ ತಂ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿನ್ನ ತಂ ತೈ ಗಿನ್ನ ತಂ ದಿಗ್ಗಿನ್ನ ತಂ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿನ್ನ ತಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿನ್ನ ತಂ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿನ್ನ ತಂ ತಾ
ಬಾಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪಾಹಿ ಪಾಹಿ
ತಕದಿಮಿ ತಕಜುಡು ತಕದಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ತಾಂಗ ತಕಿಟ ತಾಂಗ ತಕಿಟ ತಾಂಗ ತದಿಂಗಿನ ತಂ ತದಿಂಗಿನ ತಂ ತದಿಂಗಿನ ತಂ ತಾ
ನೀಲಮೇಘ ಶರೀರ ನೀಲಮೇಘ ಶರೀರ ನೀಲಮೇಘ ಶರೀರ ನೀಲಮೇಘ ಶರೀರ ನೀಲಮೇಘ ಶರೀರ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದವೇ ಬಾಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪಾಹಿ ಪಾಹಿ
ತಕದಿಮಿ ತಕಜುಡು ತಕದಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ತಾಂಗ ತಕಿಟ